Good morning to all. I am P. Sakai from 6th D.
Happy morning to all. I am Ishan from 6th D. I am here to explain my project step by step. My project is LPG fire alarm. Use of the project. To find a fire vapor, we use a gas sensor. Gas sensor gives signal to the alarm sensor. Alarm sensor gives signal to the exhaust fan, and both will activate. Step 1. The back of the project, there was a switch. We want to on it. Step 2. For fire vapor, we taking alcohol solution. Alcohol solution will give fire vapor. Now the gas sensor is observing the fire vapor and giving signal to alarm sensor, and alarm sensor giving signal to the exhaust fan.
The use of this project is to accumulate the ventilated gas here. The system should be installed in populated areas like malls, offices, etc. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone.